'Cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart.
So one very important thing, this event, we have been calling it annual function, annual event or the mega event. But today I'm going to announce the name. It is Yugantar.
You're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Oh, oh. 'Cause you get light